Thank you so much.
Please adjust them.
Umuk ka mag-iya. Nanilawi yan.
Hello.
Ma'am Rika po.
Here.
Ma'am Rika and
We go to the restaurant first.
So how are you going to go?
Yeah. Philippines.
Philippines. Wow, very good. Far away. And people is very good. I love Philippines.
Really? You?
Lovely people. They have people have it very good.
Hello.
room number 741 and 737.
Wow, you remember.
Dito sa chat. 4 people. Yeah. So we just had our lunch here at the Lagoon, Villa Nautica, and food's great. Location's great as well. We'll see the water villas right over there, which I don't know if we're staying there or if we're staying somewhere else, but we're also getting a villa. The experience so far has been great. Hospitality is amazing. Food is great as well, and we're really excited to just check in our room and settle in. So we took the speedboat and then we arrived a little early at the property. So they had us take our free lunch, and then after that we're gonna have free dinner, and then tomorrow free lunch. So, all board, and I can't wait to just relax. Much deserved. Maldives. You are indeed pretty. Welcome to our crib in Maldives. We are staying at Villa Nautica, and must I say, it's beautiful here, and we have not even used all the amenities just yet. We're just in awe of the place, and Miss MJ is with me in this villa, and Francis and Saini are in their villa, probably 3 villas from here. Oh, yeah. moment.
Hello. The beach.
Wow.
Fine sand. And there you go.
Lugar lang.
Ay, oo.
They have a tennis court. They have
Beach villa.
villas. And then
Volleyball. Beach volley.
this is their spa.
Where? Ah.
Magkano kayo?
The spa. Oh.
Hindi na natin naman.
We're heading to
Oh,
jet ski. For water sports.
Kayak mo, Pixo.
Wow, we cannot direct the wind, but we can adjust the sail. Fuck.
Water sports.
Beach Valley.
Siguro ang reason kung bakit hindi ako sports fan is
Mm.
because mahal siya.
Hindi naman lahat ng sports mahal.
Hindi lahat, pero kadalasan.
Kaya ano? They have basketball
There
court.
basketball court. Welcome to my hacienda.
Duh.
This is my small basketball court. This, I don't know where to do. Maybe this is the land for my dog. This, land for my other dog.
They have
This is my
lawn tennis.
tennis court. Sometimes I forget I have a tennis court. But yeah, that's my tennis court. I just remembered today. This land for my cat. Grabe, ang sama ng full service naman yun. Full service resort. Patingin, natabang ako.
When you don't have any sleep.
Yeah. Hi everyone, I'm saying hi to you guys from the Maldives. We are staying at the Villa Nautica and we just witnessed their sunset. It's the same sunset all over the world, but it's quite a beauty here. And I'm together with my friends. We have planned this since 2 years ago and we have only materialized it for this year. So you can say that we really wanted to go here ever since. Ang hina ng boses ko kasi ang dami pang tao dito, nakakahiya. Pero maganda, maganda. Ayun, tingnan mo yung mga villas doon. Hey there friends, welcome to our little villa here at the Maldives, and we have just not yet concluded, but we have just had a really good day so far. We started off with our free lunch and then while we wait for our rooms to be ready. So this is the room. I'm gonna have a separate video on that, and it's been incredible. The journey has been kind of surreal, to be honest, because we have initially planned to be here at the Maldives in 2023, which is 2 years ago, but we only were able to materialize it a couple of months ago. Even more so, since it is kind of an expensive destination, we had to save up weeks on end just to be able to pay off the room and pay off the speedboat. So there's a lot that goes in the package. But the thing is, I realized the more you tell yourself that you don't deserve it, or it's too expensive, or maybe some other time because I have other bills to pay, the more it's not gonna happen. Literally, I will tell myself, someday I'm gonna get there, and then my headspace will just continue to think that, one day it'll happen. And a lot of things have happened to me because of that kind of headspace. So similarly to Maldives, ganun din. Now, when we came here after nung lunch, which is a beautiful lunch, I'll have a video for you guys for that one. After that, we were escorted to our room. So here, and then sina Francis and si Saini, who were with, then naman mga tatlong villas from us, same room. And then after that, we rested a little bit, and we also had an island tour because it's a really massive property. I don't know how many hectares the property is, pero malaki siya, so we had to ride on a buggy just to be able to move around. And then after noon, we lounged by the pool, just had some drinks because we don't drink alcohol. We're just having juice. Uminom kami ng juice. nothing alcoholic. And then after that, some snacks, and then we went to the beach, And then we went barefoot. Lakad-lakad lang sa sand, which is very therapeutic. And hindi ko alam kung therapeutic siya dahil nasa Maldives ako. But every time nasa beach naman siguro, nakapag I'm barefoot and I'm just walking on the sand na malinis and very sandy powder-like, it's such a therapy for me, which ayun, yun yung nangyari. And then right now we are in our room. We're just waiting for the timings of our dinner. Dinner also comes for free. The package that we took was full board. So we have free lunch pagdating, and then right now free dinner, and bukas naman free breakfast. So ayun siya. They say that they have sharks here, so medyo may takot, but they say it's friendly. Hindi naman, ang alam ko sa sharks, hindi naman sila nag-a-attack kung hindi sila napoprovoke ng mga tao. They're more afraid of humans than humans are afraid of them, is what I know from the things that I've read. But I just really want to hop on here to share about the experience real time. Na-realize ko na mas nakakapag-share ako ng emotions and feelings when it's done real time, kahit late kong na-upload. Worth it daw, sabi ni Miss MJ. Worth it siya kasi kahit medyo malaki yung shell out mo, ano naman, nakuha mo yung value ng money. And it's the Maldives. There's also a lot of beautiful places in the Philippines. And I could tell you that because I've been to all 82. Hindi nga lang all the places in each of the provinces. Nakapunta na tayo sa 82 provinces and there's more to explore. But it's also nice to be able to see what's outside. Sometimes, it's difficult because anong nangyari sa jacuzzi? Ano bang pinagsasabi ko? But we'll have dinner in a bit. We'll just wait for our friends. And then we'll talk more very soon. Ayun lang. The jacuzzi turned on automatically. So medyo may startled na ng onte. We'll use that. We'll use you in a bit. Ayun. Very, very light lang yung feeling. Tomorrow, we'll also share with you our experience. And maybe somehow gusto mong pumunta.